Hi, I'm Geith, a member of the Unity Center of Peace prayer team and Future Ministers team. And I want to encourage you to sign up for the upcoming C Week for spiritual education and enrichment. These classes really helped me learn new skills for living my life in all aspects of my life. Not only did I learn things like meditation and metaphysical principles and things like the 12 powers, but these are all Unity teachings that gave me new ways of being and living, new practices, new knowledge, new skills, and they really have made a big difference in the way I go about living my life and the way I am in my daily life with my family, with community, with my work. So thanks to these C classes, and I'm not done yet. I still have some to take. So I hope you'll take advantage of the upcoming C Week.